working on branding your business, I'm going to help you use Picsart to create an unboring logo in just a few minutes. Let's take a look at the business Boring Bean Coffee. It's a quirky, fun coffee brand, but their designs were a bit watered down. Let's see how we can use Picsart to turn things around. First step, open a transparent background. Then you're going to scroll over to the text tool and type out the company name. In this case, it's Boring Bean. And once that's in, I'll use a spacing tool to leave room for coffee roaster, which I'll put in the middle of our logo. Before I play around with formatting, let's font. You can either pick one from Picsart or upload a custom font. Just make sure it's available for commercial use. A font can say so much about your business. Do you want it to be traditional, more bold, fancy, or casual? I've already picked the font I want to use, so we'll just search for it here. And if you want to deep dive into fonts, Picsart has a great blog post you should check out. Once you've settled on your font, it's time to add color. I'm going to use one of the colors from the color palette I made in the last tutorial. You can further customize your logo by playing around with text styles, color, stroke, bend, and tons of other design tools. Going to the Format section, let's make the text all caps. We also want to arc coffee roaster in the middle of the two words. Okay, this is looking really good. We'll stop here and export it as a PNG. That way the background is transparent and we can drop it on top of any design. There are endless ways you can design or alter your logo. You can add some licensed shapes, illustrations, or even stickers. Remember, no great design was ever made with one attempt. Be kind to yourself and play around. Ask opinions from friends and customers and see what people really like. Now it's up to you. Go on, have fun with it, and make sure whatever you make is unboring with Picsart. Thanks for watching.